First, you put a little olive oil on the pan, and then after you put the olive oil on the pan, you put the tortilla on the pan. Then you grab the cheese and you put it on one side of the tortilla, and you just spread it all around. There's no certain cheese you have to use. You can use any cheese. And you could also put like chicken or anything inside your quesadilla, and it'll be pretty good. Then you fold the tortilla in half, and you press on the tortilla so that the cheese and everything is in together. After it starts cooking, you just want to make sure that you flip over and check the other side of the tortilla so that it's not burnt. And you just let it cook. So we finished making our tortilla, so we just put it on a plate and we cut it into 3 pieces. After cutting it into 3 pieces, we put guac, salsa, and sour cream to add some yummy stuff. Thank you.